So from these three experiments, we clearly know that photoelectric effect. So from this, when we expose the UV light to the plate C, electrons are emitted and the current is produced in the circuit. Column to show the deflection. If we pass the UV light to the plate A, does not emit the electrons. No current will be produced in the circuit. Okay. So from these three experiments, we conclude that photoelectric effect, that means emission of electron from the metal surface when we pass the light or suitable electromagnetic radiation with the frequency. It is called as a photoelectric effect. The corresponding currents is called as the photoelectric current or photocurrent. Some metals, that means like cadmium, zinc and magnesium, it shows the photoelectric emission for the UV rays. And some alkali metals, that is lithium, sodium, cesium, it will be give the well response even for the larger wavelength of radiation. That is a visible light. Okay. So those materials will be ejected the photoelectrons by the radiation of electromagnetic waves with a suitable wavelength. It is called as a photosensitive materials. That means those materials will be emit the electron by the irradiation of electromagnetic waves of suitable wavelength. It is called as the photosensitive material. So from these experiments, we came to a conclusion. By the exposure of electromagnetic waves of UV or visible, electron is emitted from the metal surface. So emission of electron from the metal surface is called as a photoelectric effect.